There's a big day coming up, a big wedding. So how are you going to make this day unforgettable for all your guests? How are you going to involve them in the activities, the festivities? How are you going to make them really feel a part of it? What if they could take photos live and get those photos on a big screen TV? As they take the pictures, we see them. Everybody feels part of it. Everybody feels involved. Everybody gets to liven the atmosphere. Well, with this app PartyMeister, you can do just that. PartyMeister is a live slideshow app that allows guests or yourself to take pictures and then send those photos through the app and a Wi-Fi connection onto a big screen TV. When you take photos like this, you encourage interaction. You can impress your guests and your friends, but also you bring people together. People get excited because they want to pose for a picture, they want to have a good time, and they get to feel part of the event. PartyMeister works with your Roku device. That means if you have a Roku and you have something to connect it to, you can get PartyMeister set up. That includes the Roku Express, the streaming stick, or the Ultra. PartyMeister and Roku work beautifully together. So you just take a picture with your phone and then you beam it over to the Roku device. There's even a QR code that makes it really easy for guests to quickly scan it and send their own pictures straight on over. And then maybe you're wondering, well, what if they send weird photos? Well, don't worry, we have a whole moderation feature. So you can decide what pictures go up, or you can have someone else do it because you just want to feel like dancing. And then, when the big day is over, you have all those photos saved. You can look them over and share them with your guests. They will be stored safely and privately. PartyMeister works completely wirelessly. This allows any guest to get their face for a brief moment on a big screen TV, feel really involved and part of the moments. And you can check out this app for free right now. Now we also have a premium mode, which eliminates any of the ads, allows as many guests as you want, or as many photos as you want. But check it out for free right now. Check out PartyMeister on the App Store and see how you can bring your event, your wedding, your party, your anniversary to the next level.